Hey YouTube, how's it going? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your personal camera, such as your personal DLSR or mirrorless camera, to make Zoom calls. One advantage of this is the camera is a lot better than the built-in webcam that comes with your laptop. There are many expensive ways to do this, but I'm going to show you how to do it using a cheap £12 video capture card, which works out around $15 if you're in the States. If you wait to the end of the video, I will also share my top tips on how to make yourself look better on camera. In this video, I'll show you how it works using Zoom, but it works just the same for other video calling apps, such as Microsoft Teams. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to make another video where I show how this works with Teams. So first of all, assuming you already have a digital camera that's got an HDMI out, you need to purchase a video capture card. These are around £15 or dollars on Amazon. You could spend a lot more on a more expensive card, such as one by Elgato, but I find the cheap card works just fine. I will leave a link in the description down below. You will also need an HDMI cable. My camera uses micro HDMI, but other cameras may vary, so make sure you check the input on your camera. I should also point out that this works with some of the newer Sony and Canon cameras without the need to purchase a separate video capture card. Now you've got your capture card and HDMI cable, you need to set it up. Setup is really simple. I'm going to show you how to set it up with a Mac, but it works exactly the same with a PC. First of all, you need to plug the capture card into the HDMI port on your computer. I need an adapter for this with my Mac because my Mac uses USB-C, and then connect the HDMI cable to your card and camera. You should now put your camera so it's at eye level. I use a tripod for this. If you don't have a tripod, you can use anything, such as a stack of books. You should then launch Zoom. Now Zoom is open. You go to the Settings tab. You can see the video is currently on FaceTime HD camera. If I click on USB camera, you can see it switches to my camera. Now if I start a new meeting, you can see it automatically opens on my camera. You can also switch between cameras when you're in a meeting. So if I maximise my screen quickly, you can see I'm currently using the built-in FaceTime camera. If I click on the USB camera, it changes to my USB camera. It's as simple as that. And as you can see, for me, the picture looks a lot better using this camera than it does when I use the FaceTime camera. One thing worth mentioning is that you really need a camera with a clean HDMI output. Mine doesn't have that. You can see my camera is currently showing that it's recording, it's showing the ISO, it's showing the f-stops. So if you have a clean HDMI output, you won't see any of this. Most modern cameras offer a clean HDMI output, so you don't have to worry about seeing any of this. My camera's a bit older, so that doesn't actually work for me. Now, as promised, here are a few tips. If you're using sunlight to light the room, always make sure that you're facing a window. If your back's to the window, you'll look blown out. But if you're facing it, the light from a window will light your face and make you look a lot better. Always look at the lens when speaking. It's tempting to look at the screen, but imagine the camera is the person that you're talking to. This doesn't always feel natural at first, and I still sometimes struggle with this, but it's really important if you can to try and look at the camera whenever you're talking. If possible, you should also use a light to light yourself. As I already said, you could use a window for this. If you've got a desk lamp or something, that's brilliant. Although what I find works better is a proper dedicated light, such as a ring light or a camera studio light, but that's not always practical. I would love to know your tips in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe, as it really helps the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.